Hey everyone, welcome to Binary Campus. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content. Once upon a time, there was a young trader named Michael. He had always been fascinated by the world of finance and dreamed of one day becoming a successful trader. However, his path to success was not an easy one. Michael had grown up in a small town with limited resources, and he knew that he would have to work harder than most to achieve his goals. Despite the challenges, Michael was determined to make his dream a reality. He spent countless hours reading books on trading and attending seminars to learn from successful traders. He even took a job as a runner on the floor of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, where he could observe the action first. Michael's hard work eventually paid off. After years of learning and building his skills, he became a successful trader himself. He had a natural talent for reading market trends and was able to make trades that consistently earned him profits. With each successful trade, Michael's confidence grew, and he knew that he was on the right path. However, even successful traders like Michael experienced setbacks. One day, a sudden market downturn caused him to lose a significant portion of his portfolio. Michael was devastated. He had worked so hard to get where he was, and now it seemed like all of his progress had been erased. But instead of giving up, Michael used the experience as motivation to work even harder. He dove back into his research, analyzing market trends and refining his trading strategies. Slowly but surely, Michael began to rebuild his portfolio. He learned valuable lessons from his losses and used that knowledge to make smarter trades in the future. He also developed a new sense of resilience and determination that would serve him well in the years to come. As Michael continued to trade, he began to realize that his success was not just about making money. It was about the sense of purpose and fulfillment that came from pursuing his passion and achieving his goals. He had worked tirelessly to get where he was, but the journey had been worth it. Over time, Michael became known as one of the most successful traders in the industry. He inspired others with his work ethic, dedication, and unwavering commitment to his craft. And although he had faced many challenges along the way, he knew that he had the resilience and determination to overcome any obstacle that came his way. In the end, Michael's story was not just one of financial success, but of personal growth and transformation. He had started as a young trader with a dream, but through hard work and perseverance, he had become a true master of his craft. And he knew that he had the motivation and drive to continue achieving great things for years to come. As Michael's reputation grew, he began to receive invitations to speak at industry events and share his knowledge with others. He was humbled by the opportunity to give back and help others achieve their own trading goals. One day, Michael received an email from a young trader who was just starting out in the industry. The trader wrote about his struggles and his desire to succeed, and asked Michael for advice on how to stay motivated through the ups and downs of trading. Michael thought carefully about his response. He knew that the road to success was not an easy one, and that setbacks and losses were an inevitable part of the journey. But he also knew that with the right mindset and attitude, anyone could overcome those challenges and achieve great things. He wrote back to the young trader, sharing his own story and the lessons he had learned along the way. He talked about the importance of hard work and dedication, but also about the need to stay focused on the bigger picture and to remember why you started trading in the first place. Trading is not just about making money, Michael wrote. It's about pursuing your passion and doing something that you love every day. It's about constantly learning and improving and using your skills to make a positive impact on the world. The young trader was inspired by Michael's words, and he continued to work hard and pursue his own trading goals. Over time, he too became a successful trader, and he looked back on Michael's advice as a turning point in his own journey. Years went by, and Michael continued to trade and share his knowledge with others. He had achieved a level of success that he had once only dreamed of, but he never forgot the lessons that he had learned along the way. In the end, Michael's story was not just one of trading success, but of personal growth, resilience, and the power of motivation. He had proven that with the right mindset and attitude, anyone could overcome challenges and achieve great things. And he had inspired a new generation of traders to pursue their own passions and follow their dreams.